What's up? How's it hanging? I'm prepared today. I have coffee for real. No energy drink. We're not staying up till 1 a.m. again. We gotta be professional and adults here. As lack of fun as that is. But that's not the worst thing in the world, I suppose. But I was an idiot yesterday. So the ID was coming in, right? But we couldn't figure out how to get it to associate with the lookups weren't working, basically, even though we're giving it the right ID. It's because it was a string, not an integer. And I'm an idiot for not thinking of that sooner. But I figured that out. Deletion's working now. We just have to do the side effects of that. Make sure we delete stuff without like some other bullshit happening. Yeah, that's ideal. Well, armed with coffee, we can get to it. Alright. Being very epic. No need to look behind the curtain too much anyway. Okay, we're gonna do 2 hours today. 2 hours of code, 2 hours for a game. Sounds reasonable. Okay, so I don't have the most time during the day to work with this because I do have an actual job. But we're gonna have to use I've narrowed it down basically what we need to do. I have to remove the likes from the Kanojos. So if a user likes the Kanojos and we get rid of the user's likes should go too. We shouldn't be adding those to the total. That makes sense. You need to remove the user's association with any of the Kanojos. So I'm not entirely sure how that's gonna work. But it should. Yeah, I'm still not sure how to get that one to work. And then we need to remove enemies. That should be easy. We just have, because that should just be as easy as the likes. I don't entirely remember how enemies work in the game. The server seems to have a basic setup for them. So I'm just gonna assume the server is keeping track of that. Enemies might have been like a friends list, or it might have been directly who also has your same Kanojos. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm already yawning. Hey, that one Overwatch boy. Welcome to the stream where I just went over the game plan. Yeah, if I click that button right now, I think it'll delete the user we don't want yet. We're doing a code stream. Okay, so Start it with the likes here. It is a lot of code, and it's not all mine, which makes it kind of a challenge. Why would I need to? I don't like that. I don't know, I always sound tired. That's why I have coffee. Hard day at the office. Hard day down here. It's alright, I get it a lot. I did this as a workaround, now it's biting me in the ass. Shit. I hate this host URL thing is now a parameter that I need to fill in, even though it's not really necessary for what I'm doing or for the thing. But I did it as a quick workaround. And now it's biting me in the ass. So I can either find out a way to work with the workaround, or I can actually just not be a piece of shit and fix the problem from the get-go. The workaround does allow for some flexibility because it can allow the host URL to change more easily. Which might let you host the images somewhere odd easier. But it's like, why? They're just fucking images. Why is this a big deal? It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be a big deal. If I remember right, the app code is like fucking not set up at all to dynamically create a URL for getting the images. Which is why I did this workaround. So, what if we try to go with the workaround? I mean, what we could do is you could just give it an empty string. I think that should be fine, right? Nothing bad will happen. This is where it's like, this isn't my code entirely. This is where I run into issues. I feel so uncertain about shit, and then I feel desire to dig into it for like an hour. Keyboard, are you fighting me, or is the computer program fighting me? Because you've been a piece of shit all day. I think the answer's both. What the hell's going on? Can't I move my cursor? Okay, I'll just use the mouse. Okay, Goujer ID. We don't have a context of the Goujer manager? Oh, it's self the Goujer manager. I'm not the best at Python. Okay, self-deck Kanojo manager, Kanojo help. That's going to give us the Kanojo. Okay, then we need to... I believe the entry is likes. I'm going to look that up. Likes is indeed a dictionary within, or list within. The calculate rate, the length, get likes, length of likes. Okay. How's it doing it? Get likes. Might not even actually be a... Yeah, I'm gonna get a... Hello, what happened? BS. And that should be a collection, so... Let's remove the correct answer. Should be. I'll double check. Ah! That's really fucking bright. I mean, it's... I wish Windows 8 had, like, automatic dark theme. Like every other operating system nowadays. Windows 8's from 2013 now, so I can't give it too much crap. Yeah, sure, Python list. It's actually like collections. Yeah. At least I thought it was. There's already Python 3.9, what the fuck? I don't remember what it's called. List, dict, tuple, whatever those things are. Wait, this isn't actual python.com. Just give me the fucking dog. This. Sequence. Mutable sequences. Yeah, it should work. Remove, I guess. Remove UID. Then we do self.con. Save. gonna go find where this goes and see if its clear type is the same. Just gonna find usages. Negative present. Okay, go to... No. I am at the declaration. Find usages. Clear equals none. That's test give a present. So it's clear none. Okay. We don't want to clear anything. And I don't believe that's the default. Clear equals clear, none. Okay. Clear equals clear, none. Right. Keyword, I'm really gonna solder you. I have taped your cable. What more do you want from me, keyboard? Okay. Like Serban, that's taken care of. Hello? No, wow, coffee's too hot. Probably just take the lid off for a bit and let it cool. There. Hopefully nothing terrible could possibly happen by putting my coffee right next to my expensive computer. Nothing bad could ever possibly happen in that situation. Never. Okay. Remove Kanoja's status is tricky. I could use this breakup with Kanoja function. I think I might want to, simply because I eventually need to deal with like somebody. Pardon me. You can steal Kanojos and the stealing process isn't even implemented yet. So we need to do that. It'd be better to do it all in one place anyway. Add a comment here. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't just automatically pass on the Kanojo. Maybe I should like have the guy, like the person at least like approach the Kanojo. It could get annoying. So if there's... Okay. Oh, that's some good water. Oh. Okay. I'm thinking. I'm giving her a big think. Man, I have so much time in the day. Get going, guy. Alright, we gotta... So if we could remove Konoshas, that would be just... Maybe that one. KID and Kanojos. Kanojo equals that. Then we would... So if the breakup with Kanojo, user, Kanojo. Done. As for enemies... I'm not sure. I'm not sure how enemies work. Is coffee cold enough yet? I need it. Might actually be cool enough now. Oh. Alright, yeah. Ugh. We're out of cream at my house. Sad day. Very sad day. Okay. Clear the Kanojo, remove enemy. I should figure out how enemies work. It could be a mutual thing. It could not be. In which case, it's gonna be difficult. Add user as enemy. User. Enemy user or ID. Enemy UID equal. What? Okay, so enemy UID is actually the enemy UID. Greater than 0. I mean, I suppose that's, yeah, it would be, yeah, sure. But the enemy user does not have them added. Okay. Find usages. It's only used in one spot. Check approached Kanojo. What the fuck? It's in user.py. So is it an automatic process? Current owner. User ID does not equal. So it's people that have scanned the same. It's such a weird thing. Enemy system doesn't make sense. Okay, so son of a bitch. What do I need? What do I need? So, if the user's part of another user's it's only one place in the entire application that we increment through every single fucking user. For a user. And DB users that fine. Well, you don't delete a user often, so it might be worth it. What happens if we remove something that isn't part of... Oh, God. Okay, let's do a little test here. A good old test never hurts. So we have a list. We have one. Wait. Lippy equals 1. No, not 3. Okay, Lippy dot remove 4. What do you mean? X, oh, X is not in the list. So if we do Lippy remove 2. Okay, so we will actually get a fucking thrown error. That'll cause a crash. We obviously don't want that. Well, if you think about it, if you go... If KID in users economic, I suppose. I suppose we should make it more safe. Okay. Kanojo. And we know that it likely that the list exists. Dot remove UID. I don't think we need to save the Kanojo unless we actually change it. So that probably saves a shitload of processing power, IO time or something. Oh, I know. After this playlist is over, I know what song I want to play. It's a beautiful song. It's the true programmer song. The anthem, one might even say. Why is it doing this? Why do you hate me? Why do you hate the way I format my code? Why does my keyboard hate me too? Why is chat so quiet? Okay. If we remove enemies, then it's probably a similar situation for this. We just have to do for user in or in user manager. How do we do it here? Oh, easy. Well, wait, we don't want to override that user. For other user in DB user's fine. If UID in other user dot get enemies other user dot enemies remove UID. Someone just opened the front door. My other roommate might be home. You must pick, and you have to choose me, Cheese. That's the only way. I'm sorry. I'm your favorite, aren't I? By the way, Cheese, I think I was playing Fairy Bloom Frisia, and you messaged, and I was muted the whole stream. And nobody told me. And I felt it was I don't remember when it was. It was before New Year's. And I am never so focused on a game that I won't like look at chat. I'm sorry. But it's like it's upsetting, but it's also like very funny. Yeah, Palooza also came in. Yeah. Oh, did it embarrass me? A little bit. Because I have been streaming for an hour and 40 minutes. And, I found out I was muted. It was disheartening to say the least. But it's all good now because we're back and I don't have like a single monitor, so I can actually look at my audio bars doing the blah, 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 blah. Also probably didn't help that my VTuber was turned off. So you probably would have saw me like mouthing shit, but then you wouldn't have heard anything, so that would have been a factor. Hmm. That coffee tastes terrible. I don't know what I did to it. Ah. Ah. Oh, damn. Well, I did say hi back, so... Hi. Self that save other user. And my keyboard's giving out on me. I need to actually like sit down and fix my keyboard. It would actually be beneficial. It's alright though, it's all in the past. That whole incident. I do still want to apologize to Palooza though. Because they were also commenting. Or... So horrible. Well, it's all in the past. Right? It's all in the past. We're all good. What if I make a sickaroo? Damn. Please don't. I have so much to live for. Like, getting bigger titties. A few UIDs in. Yeah. So removing enemies, clearing Kanojos, clearing likes. That should work. Only thing I'm iffy on is this. And this. Shouldn't matter, but you never be too careful. Actually, clear none might. I don't know. Well, fill fields is the thing that does the thingy. Clear equals clear none, just return it. Okay, yeah, then. The person who wrote the server originally did not speak English as their first language. And neither did the people that wrote the app. So, fun times. Fun times indeed. This should work though. Clear self. That means I think that means that it's intended for the user that owns that information to see it. Oh, that tastes good. Alright, so we have... Oh shit, robotics. I was in the robotics team in my high school. I was on the programming team though. Surprise, surprise. User equal, we did this part, right? Right? Yeah. Yeah, like what robotics do you do, if you don't mind me asking? I'm just curious. Oh, I'm sorry. What robotics do you do, if you don't mind me asking? If something's fucked up with my audio, please tell me, and I'll fix it. Unless I just, like, spoke like a babbling idiot, which I am. Is it done? Oh no, there's one song left. Okay, so if we get the user back, then yeah, it's good. We are doing that. Acknowledge. Okay. It's okay, Cheese. You can take your time. No rush. We ain't going nowhere. Okay, but this here user equals. What did I name the function? Delete user. Oh, totally. I do. That sounds like self-driving cars or some crap. Or like the Amazon thing. But I get if you're not allowed to say stuff. I won't dig any further. But that is cool stuff. The software algorithms for those are an interest of mine though. Definitely not cars. I imagine that I couldn't put myself. I couldn't code for a car. Especially something that could endanger somebody potentially. Cause I'm thinking I think of the Boeing 737 Max 8. It was a software issue. There is some programmer or a group of programmers out there that worked really hard on that code to make sure it didn't fuck up. And it did. And people died because of it. If I was on that programming team, that would weigh on my soul till the day I die. I would never be able to forgive myself. Like, that shit would haunt me forever. I could never live with myself again if something I coded and I did poorly resulted in people dying. that that's why I'm hesitant to like go with like something as important. That's why I do not want to do programming on an aircraft or a car. It's like the guilt I would feel would be immeasurable. I could never I could never live that down if something I did caused people to die. Like people might forgive me, sure, but like I don't think I could forgive myself. Well, since we're talking on such a surprisingly dark tone, don't look at my fucking playlist names. I just realized, yeah, like you're not. No one's actually gonna be. Most of these are private anyway, so haha. Um. God, I have too many playlists. There. I have a lot of playlists, okay? This was used on pirating software. It's 100% not copyrighted. We are gonna turn it up though. Yo, what's good? Welcome to the code. We're programming in cyberspace. Okay, actually, like, I think I'm done with this. I need to test this now. But I got this big fucking function. Someone? Weird. Or I heard something. Man, that coffee tastes like shit. Okay. We don't want to do that yet. Why don't we just close this out? Oh yeah, since you're new here, Dogamisma. Well, now there's two people in here. How do we pronounce Dog Gamer is me. I can show you the app. This is my app. It's pretty cool. I work hard on it. Still says 1. You gotta reload. Wait, why is it going to login? The UUID should... Oh. Wait a minute. I'm like feeling vibrations. I didn't... Oh, but if I delete the account, it will... Password 1, 2, 3. Did you? I love the video. The video is funny. I like the video. I just don't think that's programming. I mean, it could be programming. I'm not gonna say it's not possibly programming, but that's sort of against how I program. Okay, we got the app loaded up. Date waifus. Dog gamer is me. That's what you do. Scan barcodes and you get waifus out of them. There's only one waifu per barcode, so you better find some unique barcodes. Okay, well, I don't know. The way I looked at it was using one function for multiple tasks, which I guess depending on how you're coding. Actually, wait, would that be optimal? The analogy has so many layers, though. There's so many layers that could be, the analogy could be applied to. Because you could say that like the square hole, right? Everything goes into it. But did I even finish the video actually? I might actually have to fix that if I didn't. With recognition with recognition of objects. Okay, maybe. Where am I? No, yeah, this shit was hilarious. It was funny. Alright. Wait, he always...
Up next, we have the arch. And you guessed it, it goes in the square hole. This is a square.
The cube. Why is dark mode not on? How do I make dark mode forever? Please. That's my life. The internet is not made for dark modes. Dude, I usually use Twitter in dark mode. I just don't know why I don't use it on my desktop a lot, admittedly. Where do I have to, okay, where are we going? Just take me to the top. Where do I... Oh, display. Ah. Oh, dim. Oh, I like this. I like this. This is colorful. I had a roommate that what he would do every day, and I think he might still do this, he would do this to Twitter. He would click. I don't remember how he did it. He knew where in the thing you had to go. Like, he knew, like, he would go there, right? He would go somewhere, and then he'd, like, find what color it was. Every day. Every time he turned on his computer, yeah. Find what color. Trying to figure out. I don't know what he did. But he would like change it to like, he would take the he would somehow make the background color the color he wanted it to be every single time he like launched the browser again. I never understood why. Like, at a certain point, I just, like, go with it, accept it. It's too much more hassle than it's worth. But he would always change, like, the background to, like, this, I don't know what even color he did it to. I always thought it was interesting, though. It was, like, the first time I'd ever seen somebody... Oh, shit, we're probably playing copyrighted music. Yeah, we can't be pointing that. Don't judge me. I like the weeaboo shit. Yeah, I didn't know you could edit the... I was always confused on how editing the HTML on a web page worked. Alright, more royalty-free vaporwave. Yeah, there we go. Now we're cooking. Dude, I was always confused on that. I had a job that... At my job, they put me on like some web area first, where we coded in JavaScript, and then I had to rebuild every single time I changed the JavaScript. And then I found out like last year I didn't have to do that, and I was like, oh my fucking god. Oh my god, are you serious? I didn't have to, and like my code at my work compiled terribly, so it took an hour to recompile. So whenever I made a change, I'd be really researching my changes and like making sure that they work. And like most of my work day was researching while building was happening. And then realizing, oh man, I might have fucked up. I need to change that before the build gets there. And it never did because I didn't know I could have just changed the JavaScript. Because they were like, oh yeah, you can't change the code and the environment's wrong. But it was this other part of the code, and that's really fucking loud. Yeah, it was. My work is, they got an odd code base. Instead of being like a normal weird company and making everyone use some obscure language that's actually still standardized, instead my company made their own language. And it's garbage. It's a flaming pile of trash. Yet we somehow are all forced to use it. So, yeah. All right. You know what I think? I think OBS causes my graphics to glitch up sometimes. No, yeah, we've like been maintaining this like what? We made a translator from COBOL to Java, and from COBOL to our like in-house language, instead of just using a real language and writing a library for it, which we had to do anyway. Because the language we use compiles to Java. So it's like, what the fuck's the point? The design philosophy was to make it like a, it's for business people that don't understand coding. The idea is that we can make them coders because the language is designed for them. But it's just really fucking wordy and makes no sense. It's a bad language. We also support user mods, which I am a firm believer that that is a poor idea. Hey, window. Oh. What the fuck's going on? Oh. Thank you. Now we have proprietary shit. It's fucking garbage. It's not even like... I've seen customers like complain in like forums else like outside of our companies like, yeah, is there any like documentation for this? And they're like, no, not really. There's a really shitty compiler specification that has no comments on it. Or you can go through change logs. That's the only place it's documented. It's like, oh. Thanks. That's not good. Well, it pays the bills. Can't complain if it pays the bills. Besides, if you watch me enough, maybe I can just quit my job and be Twitch. That'd be cool. That'd be fun. I have to vim into user.py. No, don't donate money to me. I literally do not want people to donate money to me. It's like open just because I know some people like do it. As it is, if a certain individual makes a donation, I will be returning the donation. Well, if I get affiliate and whatnot, I'll be making... I should make enough, I think. I don't know. But I have to put it right below break up with Kenosha. I fucked up. Might not be too late. Okay. You fucking do that. I'm either gonna kiss you or I'm going to return it and tell you to fuck off. My keyboard hates me. My terminal hates me. Oh, I have a DM. Oh shit, that was sent a while ago. Oh, my friend was like... It's fucking adorable. My friend found a cute shirt. They might be watching. They're kind of a lurker. But in case even if they're not, I'm gonna show them something I was working on. Wait, this is not the Steam version. Alright, I don't know if I want you all seeing my Steam. So just for a second. Okay. This is something else. You motherfucker! I'm gonna fucking kill you.
This is all the money I have.
If that is, honest to God, if that is that all the money you have? Honest to God, give me a straight answer. Don't be fucking with me, Cheese. I do not, if that is all the money you have, I do not want it. Cheese. Shouldn't be just spending your money on VTubers on the internet. Wait. Oh yeah, that's I changed snipping tool into that other mode. Wait. We go to new, then we disable that, then we have to go to rectangle. I know, sure, you with Steam anyway. Well, all right. I gotta like. Are you? Oh yeah, you are up there. I got like a rule going with like Streamlabs. So now I gotta update that. Wait, the number of people that have donated times 2 is how many of the like things are gonna scroll across the top. So if you're the 3rd donator, I gotta make it. I gotta change it to 6. Yeah, there you go. There you are, right there at the top. Moving ever so slightly faster now. A lot of people I noticed don't have it like spread out all the way. They have it like limited to just like a certain area and it kind of cuts off weird. And I think that looks funny. There you are. I'm glad that 2 of my donations have 69 and 420 in them. I'm very happy with that. It's worth it for the meme. I'm sorry, I actually don't know what happened. No, there is. If I don't like make it a minimum of like a. Yeah, I think I like lose $1 on every donation. I think that might be why the minimum's $1. Not a loaf of bread giving me $5 and $2. Not nearly as cool. Yeah, I think it has to do with how much I make through PayPal and probably my type of PayPal. I think I need like a professional PayPal, which I'm not. I wouldn't consider myself professional yet, so. Whew, the coffee's giving me a sweat. Percentage of it, well, I don't know then. Probably have to pay for. I think it's one of 2 things with PayPal. I don't remember what it is. It's like one of 2 fees, and whichever one's like larger is what you have. Okay, well, we gotta get working here. Because we have to copy over. Crap. Right. Pay you back on 10. Do you stream? I didn't know you streamed, cheese. Now I gotta go look at you. Oh, you were streaming Among Us.
Who cares?
Oh, okay. Okay,
Now,
okay, okay.
I'm now judging you.
Wait, do we have visual tasks on?
No.
I think we do.
Okay,
No?
I have no pet.
Holy shit.
I just set this up as
SpongeBob.
Okay.
We got Among Us.
No, it
Again.
wasn't Run. No, wasn't me.
Oh, jeez, you only got 6 followers. I'll help you out. I'll give you a fat follow. I'll smash that motherfucking follow button. Okay. Now we gotta get to copying. I don't know where that jump drive is. Dude. I think my first stream wasn't a fail. So, I think I may have mentioned this before, but I think it's really fucked up that since I've like transitioned, I'm way more popular on Twitch. My viewer retention has gone up so hard. I gave up on Twitch back in like 2018, maybe 2017. Cause I couldn't get anybody. I would stream for like 4 hours straight and then I'd look back on it. Cause like they always say, oh yeah, don't look at your view count while you're streaming. So I didn't. And then I look back on it, it was like, oh yeah, I had 0 viewers the entire time. But I had a bunch of people come in and out. It's like, oh. But then it's like, oh, I'm all cutesy now, because I'm feminine. Is that... Do I just have to assume that my keyboard is outputting the right characters? I hate. It's either my keyboard's fault or it's this Windows fault. I don't know which it is, but I'm pissed at one of them. I hate how I can't see what I'm typing. Wait, no. Don't fuck me. You worked yesterday. Maybe I should just find my jump drive, run downstairs, and upload the code. How many jump drives do I have that are in this like format? That's an adapter. Wait, where'd that other one go? Oh, hey, it's my Poke Walker. Alright, alright, alright. How do we force quit in them? I tried doing YouTube as well. I used to do skits. You can still find my videos. A lot of people like them. But a lot of people also don't like them. I shouldn't... Everyone I show them to likes them, but it's like no one watches them. I'm thinking if I ever have the time, because I download my VODs, and I want to edit them up for like a Let's Play video. I think that'd be fun. I just have to like do it, you know? And finding the time. I love video editing. It's just such a time-consuming thing. Video editing, oh, it takes up so much time. It's so fun. And I found a program I really vibe with. Called Shotcut. Shotcut's a great program. But and it's free too, so what's not to like? But yeah, Shotcut. If you're using Shotcut, it's really intuitive. It also has a lot of more options than like Photoshop. I mean Premiere. My video editing experience was a little bit of Final Cut Pro in high school. I found that tool to be overly complicated in a lot of regards, and like it kind of expects you. Yeah, I was using my parents got me a copy of Premiere like way back in the day because like they're like, our kid's making videos, we should get him Photoshop in the Premiere. So they did, and then that was the version of Premiere I used forever. It doesn't even support 60 FPS editing. No, but right now they're almost 60, but I think this jump drive might be dead. Yeah, this jump drive might be dead. I said, mine might be a dead jump drive. Can't even inject it. I'll put it on a zip disk. I have zip disks around here. That's my backup install drive. That's for the Mac. This one might have enough. Might be clear. I'll try this one. I called this one Mac Bitch. I did. Called it Max Bitch. I don't want to fuck with that drive. It's weird. The drive's cursed. Yeah, yeah, that Premiere was Premiere Elements 7. That was old as fuck. Had a lot of issues, especially on newer systems. So I was happened to be at Goodwill one day, and for $5 I saw Premiere Elements and Photoshop Elements. I saw like 13. I was like, oh, I'll grab that. Solid upgrade. Photoshop in that, I like it a lot better than Photoshop, like Element 7. Compared to a lot of modern software like GIMP, it's a little eh. But it's decent, I guess. But Premiere was still. If you can watch 4 streams at the same time, that's impressive. Yeah, Premiere was, Premiere 13 was better in a lot of ways. It at least supported like 60 FPS editing. But it's still like, Photoshop Premiere Elements 7 barely supported 1080p as like an absolutely maximum resolution. You could not go higher. And I think that Premiere Elements like 13 was similar. It just yeah, Premiere Elements 13 was just like a similar vein of just being crappy. But Shotcut lets you fucking do anything, dude. It like comes, you can like set it like, hey, I want this video to go to YouTube. It's like, sure thing, guy. We'll encode it. What resolution you want? YouTube supports these resolutions. You can put it in a codec. YouTube will stretch the same codec YouTube uses. Doesn't even need to change it. Yeah, Shotcut, solid thing. I used it a while ago. Is this thing gonna fix this drive, or am I gonna have to bust some fucking heads? Pretty sure the jump drive's in the basement next to the server. Sound like a positive mental space. Yeah, it's free, dude. You got nothing to lose. Shotcut's definitely worth it. It crashes sometimes. That's the only issue I've found with it. But if you have a beefy computer, it tends not to. So I guess just save often. Yeah, you should be good. The thing is, like, I am since such an NVIDIA and Intel person that I just have no concept of what you tell me the model number of a fucking Intel CPU or an AMD or a NVIDIA GPU. I know its tier rank. I know how good it is. I don't know shit with AMD. I don't know what's the top of the line. I don't even know what the bottom of the line is. I know bigger numbers are better, but it's like, I'm a fish out of water here. I don't know how I got on the NVIDIA and Intel train, but I did. No, probably because I've been using this install since my LGA 775 processor. That was an Intel Pentium 4 that was like hyper-threaded or dual-core or some crap. I don't like reinstalling Windows. Switching motherboards and CPUs is really hard, but it's not the worst. Is my eyeball acting funny? Hold on, I cannot be alone. Okay, like seriously, does it look like my eyeball is like slightly off? It's like, okay, because like this program is so fucking fast. Like by the time I look over at it, it's like I can't tell. it already moved. But no, it's like I swear to God. Well, maybe it's okay. I don't know. If I keep looking, I shouldn't even be looking at myself. But I do kind of like looking at myself. Okay, this thing's not working. Alright, we gonna be... Swear to God. Don't look at myself. Don't look at OBS. Don't look at OBS. Chat's right next to me. I can't not look at me. It's like I'm like 2 seconds away from pulling this drive out. It's moving in an unnatural way. What happens if I go upside down? I don't think it likes that. Ooh. That face is crazy. I've worked hard on my face. Thank you. I aimed for at least a little bit of craziness. But it does track my eyes, like, independently. Although, like, I need a ring light. Because all the lighting in my room is coming from behind me. And it's not ideal. And I think you can get ring lights for pretty damn cheap too. It's not idea. Yeah, my lighting. Alright, who am I killing? What if I just... I don't know. Well, can I like check what's on it? No. Fine. Okay. I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna get the transfer drive I normally use. And then I guess I'll be back. Yeah, if I rinse it in water, that should work. Let me put this on. Sorry about that. I had to really dig through crap to find the drive. Ah. Yeah. Huh. Whew. Well, that's just to copy some files. I ran. Okay, let me just copy over everything here. This is gonna be user and webjob. Oh shit. Yee. Yeah, don't run those. Just copy them. Yep. 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 Alright. Okay. Might be a bit, but I'll leave you with this. Yeah. I'll leave you with this while I copy over the crap. Here I am. Okay. Code's up. I did it. Oh. Only time in my life I ever run. To go somewhere in my house. Don't judge me. How else do you think I get exercise in my pathetic life? Oh no! I failed. I'll never be a true coding waifu. Even though this gym is fucking banger, what the hell? Well, actually, I actually have to look at this up. What is this? We're at 43. Yeah, let's look this. It's kinda got like that Top Gun vibe. This doesn't help me. This doesn't help me at all. It's somewhere in here. Damn. I've looked it up and I think there's only like 2 other coding VTubers. And one of them hasn't posted in 2 years. Or like over a year. And the other one has like never posted. So you're stuck with me. You can't replace me. Haha. Actually, I think actually no. One of them is Japanese. One of them hasn't posted in like a year. I think that was what it was. So unless you speak Japanese, you're stuck with me. I mean, you could. Nothing's stopping you from being a VTuber. Batman. That's pretty impressive. I have a friend that also is very multilingual. Okay. I looked at the Kanojo and I thought her eyes look weird. Why is that? I think I think my brain is dying on me. For some reason I'm seeing symmetrical eyes and I'm thinking, oh shoot, something don't look right. Gibberish, baby, weeb, and a little English, huh? Oh, by golly, that's a language and a half for me. I think I speak one of those. Oh, whoa. I can speak Valley. I can't do it. I wouldn't be doing it right. Oh, well, rar. Rar, extra nozzles pounces on you. Ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Nuzzles your necky wacky hoo hoo tee hee. That's all I know. And I probably didn't even do it right. I'm like kind of like doing something else, I'm sorry. Okay. As 2 people enter the stream, how do you know? I don't know, like, if you're counting viewers, I don't know how many viewers I have. I have disabled that on everything. Until I have, like, 500 followers, I will never enable the view count. That's my gameplay guarantee. Well, I'm sure they left by now. That's great. I'm sure. Oh fuck. It's fine. If they can't take me at my worst, they don't deserve me at my best. We gotta do the test though. Okay, I got the log over here on my other monitor. Well, welcome back, other person. Okay, so settings. Edit account information. I'm kind of scared at this point. Like, this is the first time I've like actually gone all out to try to make sure it's like a professional quality and like works to the end to the fullest extent possible. I'm like kind of scared to press the delete button. I'm scared. What if it doesn't work? I feel bad. Shut up! It'll work! Fuck! It didn't work. No bully me. No bully. I can hear you laughing halfway across this fucking planet. Halfway across this bitch of an earth. You could fucking clip that. Ah. Okay. Well, the server crashed, so it didn't crash, but it like pseudo crashed. It doesn't always completely crash. It has like a safety mechanism on it at all times. Delete user got unexpected keyword argument clear. Of course it did, because I copy and paste everything. Delete user. Nope. There. Yeah, I have no doubt you're laughing right now. As any sane person would. But no joke, that would probably make a great clip. If you did not clip it, I will be kind of upset. Can I clip it? Clip copied to clipboard. What? I don't think I can quite clip to the same extent that you people can. I clipped something, I think. I don't know. What did we clip? What did I clip? doubt you're laughing right now. This isn't even good. This isn't the funny part. How do I delete this? Delete this, please, God. Moderation, delete, yeah. Delete that. That was terrible. No. That's a terrible clip. That wasn't funny. Okay. Oh, I didn't realize I had a debugger over there. That's cool. It wasn't worth it. It was just like what I said like 20 seconds ago. I don't have the instinct to like clip myself when I've been funny within like 20 seconds of when I was funny. You have to do that. That's your job. Okay, but yeah, I gotta fix that in Vim. My favorite editor right now. Vim. Excuse me. I am no lady, I'm a bitch. Fucking scroll. I'm not failing, I'm doing well. I've made excellent progress these last 3 years, even though I hate Python, I'm not very good at it. No, delete was actually more upward, wasn't it? Oh, can't delete there, okay. So this part's what got me in trouble. Oh, I have to do... There. Now it should work. Hopefully. Because I think it's still like logged us out of the app. So if we try again. What? Name DB is not defined. What the fuck you mean? User line 6. DB is part of. We set the variable DB. And the constructor. Self dot fucking DB. Why is self a requirement? See, I hate Python. I vibe with Java the most, and I know it's not even that great of a language. Why didn't you say something, PyCharm? Come on. Self.db. We're gonna get this working tonight. Basic is basic. I don't even know basic, honestly. Alright. 2 places. If I wanted anything out of Python, it would just be... I want 679. If I just want anything out of Python as a language... It's like mixing tabs and spaces, just like to like move over from spaces to tabs, or vice versa if you're a fucking disgusting degenerate. My vendetta against people that use spaces in programming is great. Basic? I think basic exists to nowadays as more of a historical maintenance language. Basic is a very important language for many computer systems, especially older ones, and is like essential in order to like maintain software written on those systems. A lot of what people would consider dead languages are not actually that dead. COBOL and even is still pretty alive and kicking. I think like so when I last looked, like in probably 20, not Cobalt, COBOL, COBOL, Common Object. What does this stand for? Common Object Business Oriented Language. Oh, it's autocorrect. Yeah, COBOL. It still runs like, I think in the estimate in 2017 was 60% of financial institutions have COBOL somewhere that they're running essentially. Like COBOL is like 100%, not 100%. COBOL is a good chunk of why we had Y2K problems. And like shit that just spun off of it. I have a whole textbook on COBOL, like a modern one actually. I printed myself a modern GNU open COBOL textbook. And I got it like bound and everything, and I'm like, wow. Oh shit. It's like been like a plea from like business people, like business institutions that like have their own software. Like, yeah, we need new COBOL programmers. Like, our average age is like 60 right now for our programmers. We need young people that know COBOL. Oh, thank you for the follow, Tsumi. Even though I'm like mega distracted right now. I'm sorry. Yeah, we're gonna finish the delete thing. And it crashed again. Yeah, did I finish it in Vim? Yes, we did. Really? With C? Oh god. I mean, I know actually like C is Yeah, I can see that with C. Like, I know enough C to get by, but... I mean, I know enough COBOL to get by, too, but... They're both languages that I don't work a lot with and are pretty essential. I imagine Fortran also is in a similar position. A person following... you can't... No fighting over the simp spot. I mean, unless you really want to, but don't... I don't recommend it. Don't fucking do it. Okay, I gotta fucking run the delete function again. Did it work? Did it work? I swear to God, if you really had $1.69 in your bank account, A, that's impressive. B, I will give it back to you. But I can't tell if you're being serious or not. That's true. I would probably take screenshots of it and go, yo, check out my bank account. It's got $1.69. I think you'd probably get fees, though. I don't know. Maybe you live with your parents. Well, I broke it again by deleting something that was already deleted. So, alright. I'm pretty sure we got the delete working on the server. And the app is a different story, but the server works. Except for this one part, because it's none. It's a none type, and I didn't account for that. I don't know. I don't know your living situation. You've always lived with your parents. I don't even know how old you are. For all I know, you're in high school. For KID in user.get, which means user was none. Was I checking for that? User equal. Oh. Dude, I can't remember shit about anybody. The only reason I remember you is because cheese is in your name. Like, when I meet somebody, this is gonna sound terrible. This is terrible. This is absolutely terrible. It's a terrible habit of mine. When I meet somebody, I don't remember their name, even though they will tell it to me. You ask me their name 2 minutes later, I won't be able to remember it. Instead, my entire perspective on people, when I first meet them, is like, what color hair do they have? And what color is their skin? And slowly I start making connections. Oh, these people are different people. Ah. And I've had the issue with actors, especially. Because what was it? Tom Hanks and Bill Murray. I used to get Tom Hanks and Bill Murray confused. I think... I don't even have any concussions. My brain's just like this. It's programmed wrong. It takes time. It won't remember people until I've been exposed to them enough times, and then I start remembering people. Like you've now put yourself in a category in my brain. Jeez, but it's taken a while. Yes, that is the app. That is Barcode Kanojo. If you got a phone that ran it, fucking give it to me, cause I will use whatever cache data I can scrape out of it like a motherfucker. Because there was a lot of downloaded cache data that has a lot of cute outfits that I don't have. Yeah, what was it? What were the other actors? Jim Carrey and Steve Carell. I used to get mixed up, and I, I can't remember who it is. I actually don't know this actor's name, but it was Eddie Murphy and some other guy. It might have been, I always say Kevin Hart. I don't. It wasn't Kevin Hart. I know it wasn't Kevin Hart, but it was another it was another black actor, and it was a good actor. And he's not even in stuff lately. I actually think he was in a credit card commercial lately. It's like, oh shit, that's the guy. And yeah, but no, listen, Kevin Hart's kind of like his own deal though. Kevin Hart embodies his the personality of the character he plays so well. He instantly put himself into a different category for me. It's like The Rock. Okay, that's right. Dwayne The Rock Johnson and John Cena. I mildly had the issue with. Because they were just big, giant, white guys with no hair. And I was like, yeah, that might be the same person. I am aware of what I'm saying, and I'm aware it's fucked up, and they're lighter. Dwayne The Rock Johnson's lighterish in skin. My brain does not process race well or any sort of deterministic qualities. You could ask me out if a person was tall or short, and I'd probably tell you I don't know. I was only made aware this year that I'm actually the shortest in my friend group, and I was like, what? I am? That's weird. I've known all you people since middle school. How have I never noticed that? But they're both wrestlers. So, give me some slack. I don't know. I can't see people. Everyone's just fucking stick figures until I see them enough, and then they start not being stick figures. You seem like a what the a space cadet, or what? What? Is that auto corrected or what? Also, it's space. I'm like a space cadet. I don't know what that means. I kind of just want to play that again because that really had some sick beats. Yeah, I am a stupid space cadet. Oh shit. I can't type, but that's because my keyboard hates me. Okay. So deleting on the server works. What's up, guy? We're trying to debug a delete thing. Oh yeah, it's because it was a none type, as I didn't do... I keep talking and distracting myself. I gotta stop looking at chat. Gotta like work. If user. I'm gonna do this. And there. That'll do it. That way we're checking if user's not none. Because the fucking app's broken. Are we returning code 200 though? Yeah, code 200. Should probably just have it. Excuse me. I'm surprised like the logic for that isn't still in there. Oh, it probably went back to the sign-in activity. I deleted the sign-in activity. It gave me a bad look. That's because it was actually just full of marketing trash and I just wanted to get rid of it instead of sift through it to find out what was scroungeable. Still have the code for it if I really need it, so it's not like it's the biggest issue. Okay. Well, we should just double check though. Try to log in. Doggo, and then it what? Did I capitalize password? Then because it's broken, I have to restart the app. It didn't log in! So we can delete users now! Okay. We can do this stuff and get it to work. It's just a pain in the ass to do. Actually, something went wrong. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, I was gonna call it after this, but okay, after we figure this out, then we're calling it. We're playing a game. So we're already like 35 minutes over. Like... Password, email, itself, database, find one query. What's the issue? And it must be an array. Wait a sec. 254 of user. Wait, I thought I fixed that. I don't have that. I'm gonna play Mirror's Edge Catalyst, because I haven't played that in a while. And that's like been the game that I want to beat on stream right now. Although I'm not giving up on Celeste yet. Fuck you. You can play that. I mean, you can play any game really, but I won't play a game. I won't play. Okay. Gassy Mints. Ooh. That's an interesting name. I'm not an influencer. I don't have to do what you want. You're the only one in here anyway. This 1v1. fucking, I'm already blanking out. My brain is fucking ADHD as shit. 9254. I think it's actually Control G on here. Take me there. And what's wrong with this? Oh yeah? Well then, I don't see him voicing his opinions though. Or their opinions, because I don't know who they are. But they're not voicing their opinions, so it's you v me, buddy. I think I actually have to do this here. What? Why is that error? What? Wait. And. Ah. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Here's the issue. Gonna make it alt. That doesn't count. Okay, but look here. So we got the and here, right? But we have this. And it has price twice. Yeah, that works too. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to put them both in a dictionary. Wait. Okay. So if we pretend, okay, so you see there's a price there's a price there, right? Like, we doesn't have to be both price there. It could be, like, in our example, we have email and password. I did not realize this was fucking up like this. Which makes me wonder how it was logging in. But, okay, so we got the price here, so we'd have, like, email here, password there, right? So, there's a list, is the top value. So when we give it we give and or a thing, it has to be a list. So we have to wrap each one in its own separate dictionary. Which doesn't make a lot of sense. Because why? But, you know, I ain't one to judge if it fucking works. How do I do what? I'm afraid I don't know what you're talking about this time. Yeah, I don't know what you mean by twice. What did I do? Just duplicate the change in Vim quick. This isn't the Vim window. What? It's decision making. There's nothing wrong with decision making. I have to go to one. I can have conversations with myself. It's only if I start arguing with myself is it a problem. Line 253. I might be crazy, but you know, who ain't nowadays? Let's be real, it's a crazy world we live in. You have to be a little bit crazy to live in this place. That's the wrong bracket. Okay, that should work. Decision making. That's what I call it. Okay. It's now a list. So it should work. But why were we able to log in before? The UUID already existed, which I believe it did, because I don't think we reset the UUID. But then why wouldn't it? I don't know. Well, wait, so if we supply a UUID, if we supply an email and password as well, the UUID should be authentication enough. So this is backwards a bit. So we have this else. Right? So if we do... Why is it why? Just make it user. It's user everywhere else, and that's what it is. So just make it user. Yeah, that works. Okay. Okay, so if user or if not user, how's that? Not user and email and password. I'm gonna put parentheses around that because I am a nervous bitch. If not user and the email and password are entered, The UUID is still entered. Then we look up based off of the email and password. The else... Oh, we're in user. Okay, so... So if the UUID is not entered, yeah, if the UUID is not entered, then we return none. So I think we also want else for that. Return none. Chad, if I may be real for a second. Life's hard sometimes. And sometimes you get to make really tough decisions. But you shouldn't always put yourself first, but sometimes you need to. Hey, your first piece of fan art. I don't know if I have fan art. My friend drew me, but I don't know if it's my VTuber or me. Because I look like my VTuber. Actually, it looks more like me. Now I'm thinking about the hair part's different. So I don't actually have fan art, so good job. You beat me to it. Besides, I'm much cuter in real life than my VTuber, I think. If you draw me a fucking stick figure and I'll make a fridge. You just draw a stick figure with glasses and a vague shape of my hair. I will put these screens, right? I will put a refrigerator clip art up and I will tape it to the fridge. Fucking send it to me on Twitter and I will fucking tape it to the fridge. And be like, this is what my son drew. Look how proud I am. I'm such a proud mother. So proud of my boy. So proud. Oy vey. God, my Pollock's coming out. Okay, so that's the last issue of the night. I don't want to do that. I'll upload it to the server later. No, I'll upload it to the server later and test it. It should work. We've done enough tonight. We're already over time. Not much game time left. So I can't click on the right things ever. I don't know why. Alright. We're gonna... my VTuber can't whistle. Yeah, that doesn't look like whistling to me. Bad VTuber. Alright, let me just close out of everything here. I just thought of something. Okay, yeah, I gotta close out of everything here. Oh yeah, custom Beat Saber tracks. I wish I could stream Beat Saber, but I feel like I'm likely to get DMCA'd. My keyboard, this weekend, I'm going to take my keyboard apart and I'm gonna solder the fucking cable to it because it's been such a fucking piece of shit. It uses an RJ, whatever the fuck, the phone headset cable to connect. And my god, it disconnects constantly. And it types all the letters twice. So therefore, it is connected by a phone jack, the 4-pin phone jack, to a USB adapter. USB adapter's fine. I soldered the cable into the USB adapter. There's no connection issue with that. It's an old ass keyboard, requires an adapter. I really like it. It's my first mechanical keyboard. I like beige. It's old as fuck. It is a Weiss terminal keyboard. And it's already covered in dust. I swear to God, I live in an old ass house. It is a Weiss, let me look here. I don't fucking know. It's a Weiss terminal keyboard. Doesn't even have like a model number on it. That fucking old. It's like from 1992. I'm pretty sure like the original one came out in like 1988. It's a fucking cool ass thing. No. I don't want a manual keyboard. It one works. I just have to solder the damn cable to it. We gotta launch Origin. Well, it doesn't work right now, but I'm gonna solder the cable and it's gonna be the best damn keyboard ever. Because when it does work, I love it. When it works correctly, I absolutely love this keyboard. It looks cool, it's sexy as hell, it's kind of minimal. It's not overly flashy, it's exactly what I like. All the new mechanical keyboards, they're all got that RGB, yada yada yada. I have to pick from a million switches. I just want my ancient ass Cherry MX Blacks, dude. I suppose we don't need the background music anymore if we're gonna be playing a game now. Nah. What is it? Beige and sun bleached from over 20 years. Actually, this thing's almost 30 years old now. I'm thinking about it. It ain't 30 years old. I like my antiques. I like my old keyboard. I just have to solder the cable to it, which isn't really that big of a deal. Because I figured out how to solder phone cables, and you just have to burn the tips. It's actually kind of easy, because the soldering iron gets hot enough anyway. I did not! Dude, these fucking things go... They're fucking hella good. I love this keyboard. It's beautiful. I am being bullied by chat. Also, game capture. Do your thing. Thank you. You know, I've been thinking, maybe I might move chat from like down there to like above my head. Might be an idea. Soldering's pretty relaxing, yeah. I dig soldering. I like soldering. Just gonna fiddle with this little piece of tape and force the contacts down, and then and there. That should be a butt slapping happy keyboard. Ready to game. I don't even know what we were doing last time. It's been so fucking long. How do I even know what to do? There we go. That's the main mission. We don't want to do main missions. Side missions also be kind of stinky. We do have a grappling hook now. That's a dash. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, I have a little thing to pick up. Cool. We got sliced and diced. Wait, I should update the fucking stream. Run fast. Nah. Run fast on glass. Alright, there. Alright, we know not to go through the fan because we will die. Valuable information. Yeah, it's tab. Okay. Alright, that's an like actual delivery. I want to keep wondering how the time of day works in this game. What the hell? How do I get over there? I don't know. Oh. Wait, isn't this where I came from for the tutorial? I didn't know I could go back through here. Oh, don't go over there. Amazon drones.
There you are.
What the fuck you doing out here, suit in the middle of fucking... That probably makes a lot of power. Fucking
I was told to hand over these eggs to you. They're
Eggs.
quail eggs from Neridia Nova, so you don't want to break them or there'll be hell to pay. I hear Dogen is very particular with his ingredients.
And then where are we going? It's quite far. Shit. Really fucking far. God damn. Alright, let's go. Come on. Well, we got quite a bit of time. I'm just worried about time, I guess, anyway. Okay, I'm not that far. I might actually make this. I don't think they give a shit about humans. shit. No, I am... Okay, there's a pipe. I was supposed to go up the pipe. Okay, maybe... Okay. Those eggs are useless. Yeah, I don't think people were supposed to be running on these roofs.
There you. I was told to hand over these eggs to you. They're quail eggs from City of Nova, so you don't want to break them or they'll be hell to pay. I hear Dogan is very particular with his ingredients.
Okay. Go. Baba Booey. Okay. We're doing good. Oh, we're doing so good. Alright, there's the pipe. Okay, we go up the pipe, but we can't go cut across. I think we have to, like, cross here. Alright, should be a fucking straight shot from here on out. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh jeez, Rick! Whew.
Thanks for the eggs. I can't believe we're actually doing this. But what makes him happy makes us all happy.
I guess? I still don't know who Dogan is. He sounds like the mob boss of the entire city or some shit. No, I don't want to go there. Nope, I don't want the dead drops. Dead drops are boring. We're going there. Doing that one. Roly-poly. This is where I want to be, but I am at a height I don't find ideal. Fuck you. No. I'm delivering eggs. Press F to respect the fan. And then the fan won't kill you. Oh. Why do I feel hungry in like a weird way? I feel like a weird kind of hungry. Or we're just gonna do side missions today. And then when all the side missions are done, we'll call our quits. Not what I wanted. Okay. That works for me. Oh. Up the purple. Up we go into the wide blue yonder. Buzz Lightyear toy as a kid that said that. I don't even know if we ever said it. Fuck you. Sound like a fucking Roblox oof. Oh, I thought those were lesbians. I was like, hey. I don't like the idea of like, it sounds like this world is like such a dystopian future that like, they've literally rented out like government to fucking, yeah, they've like rented out government to a corporation. Like the government is in charge of literally everything. That doesn't sound right. Let that child alone!
Damn lucky you were nearby. Thank you.
Yeah, the government is, I believe I'm beginning to understand, I think the lore of this game is that there isn't actually a government. I think it is a company that runs everything. Two companies, actually. There is, like, some sort of conglomerate, which is, like, runs the whole damn city. And then there's Kruger-Sec, which is essentially the police and security for the whole city and enforces the policies of the company. That's what I'm being understood to believe here. And the November, or it was like at some point the government turned over everything to the company, because they talk about like the November riots, and that appears to refer to the rioting that occurred when the government was signing over the country to a company. But no. Okay, so picture this. What if the US government said we're going to sell the country to Elon Musk? And they said, and like enough people said yes, that it actually happened. ignoring what you think about Elon Musk, positive or negative, it's like no single entity should have that power, especially when it's not an elected thing. Cat girl's faster. I'm not playing as cat girls. Oh. Yeah, so everyone's required to be an employee of the company in this country. Except for people that like live off the grid. Well, apparently not in this world.
I need this package delivered, and I need it intact. If the container breaks and the cooling fails, I can't be held responsible. And this is the last thing I do for her. She better understand that. Now, off with you.
What if I don't want to go yet? Oh yeah. That's right, in this game world, 9/11 basically happened. And it's like, oh shit. Alright, where am I going? How long do I have to get there? I don't think I can climb that. So I have to go this way. There's a gap there though. Oh wait, I can get on in that building. Okay, okay. This is gonna be weird. And I'm hoping I didn't, like, fuck up. Because there's always a faster route, it's just... Running out of track! Wait, that's not a pipe. Oh shit, have I done the fuck up? Well, I apparently have a little bit, but okay. Okay. Well, I ain't making it, so might as well take that. Alright, we're gonna let this expire, and we're gonna figure out how to...
I'll never get her off my back.
I have to get there. Her legs are going through it. There's not even a texture. Oh. Okay, 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 okay. Like, where's the lady? See, like, there's gonna be a person around there. That's... Okay, wait, so we have to... Alright, so we have to go through there. We have to come up here. Grab this. And there she is. Okay. How do we get back now? There's like some back way. Um, what the? Is this the purple or? It is the purple. I'm back where like we started. Oy, jeez. Oy vey. Was that guy respawned yet? Was she splashy? According to your standards, though. Imagine having a contract with your government.
We make many sacrifices to ensure your safety.
Yeah, I think they have like an exile realm. They call it like Grey Lands or something. And it's like where they send like everyone who broke rules. They don't have like jail, they just exile you. Created a world.
I need this package delivered, and I need it intact. If the container breaks and the cooling fails, I can't be held responsible.
Ah! I damaged it. And now we die. Goodbye. Bye bye bye. I'm gonna call it in 8 minutes.
I need this package delivered, and I need it intact.
No, I shouldn't. You're right.
Fails, I can't be held responsible.
But I don't think fake Vegeta here can either, so I'm more qualified. Ah, didn't fuck up that time. If I were to try doing parkour, I'd probably die. It's not even a joke. I probably just would. I'd probably just fucking break my neck doing something. It would look cool, but I'd die. And that wouldn't be cool, so... Okay, so the burning tower... I need to go into the wet building. Why are you so mean to me, Cheese? Come on. I'm pretty cool, I think. Oh shit, we got tons of time. Look at all this time we got. I hope it's enough. That was not what I wanted to do. Oh shit, we totally making this. We're totally making this.
Runner, over here.
Why do you have such a bitchy voice, Becky? God.
That's it, isn't it? I bet the fool doesn't even understand what he just did. I'll squeeze him dry. Oh, and your compensation has been transferred.
What the fuck? She changed voices. I'm not crazy. She had like that. Oh god, that's me, Becky. God. Kimberly. Kimberly, I'm gonna fucking stab you in the eye. God, I hate you so much. She loves me not. Ooh, we're going there. I am the parkour master. Just look how cool I am. Climbing a ladder. Not even sliding down it. What parkour guy doesn't have a grappling hook? Am I right, guys? Am I right, fellas? Am I right, gals? Hey!
Hey, you! Over here. I have a friend in one of the other cells. This package actually contains a flower. I know it's a bit over the top, but she said she'd never seen one, and I thought, well, please deliver it for me. But be careful. It's quite delicate.
You'll die if you run into the fans, so you have to mash F while approaching them. How do I think I remember.
I hope she understands the danger I put myself in to get this flower for her. Before I was cast out, I was family. I had a penthouse in the view. The flower is an orchid, and my brother gave it to me. He misses me just like I miss him. But there's no way back for me now. I'm committed to Rebecca and Black November. I promised my brother I'd keep in touch, and I will, but only to warn him when it's time to leave the city. In the meantime, I thank him for this flower and the happiness it will bring to her.
Oh, there she is.
Over here.
Thank you. I wonder what he sent me this time. He really is very sweet, but I just don't know. If Rebecca finds out, well, it's not really your concern, is it? Thanks again.
Ah. I think like actual buildings do have just giant slow-moving fans just to like, you know, circulate some air. Well, I don't know. I guess we can't all know motor design. Here's a question. Why can I do like a hacking thing and stop the motor? Motors aren't hooked up wirelessly. Unless I'm like EMPing them, but I'm probably then like frying them. And they wouldn't work ever. What motor's smoky? No, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like putting my hand out and it's like, cha. So I assume that it's like some hacking thing. Which doesn't make any sense because it's a fucking motor. Also, why does my grappling hook only work on cameras? Explain that to me. Yeah, like look. I put out my hand and it fucking blasts. But then it does it to all of them. So, I don't fucking know. See? Maybe, I don't know. It's a bit beyond my knowledge. You should go work for, EA and DICE, and they'll fucking, when they make Mirror's Edge 3, they'll call you about the fans. Art. Cube. I think this will be the last run for the day. No breaking policy. I don't even know what the policy is, bitch. Interesting. Ow. I didn't think that would hurt.
I'm over here.
Hello, my failed sir.
Got another
They're not even
foodstuff delivery
polices.
for Dogen. Rare herbs from Cascadia Prime. They must not be crushed before use, or all their potency will be lost. Understood? Off you go.
Weird. Why does every name of a town... Okay, wait. Wait.
Yeah, I'm not sure why Dogen trusts a delivery this kind to a simple runner girl like her, but I'll never question him openly about it. I prefer to keep my fingers. Thank you very much.
We restart. I have the collectible.
Anyway, a special dinner will...
How many herbs and spices are in KFC?
Stuff delivery for Dogen. Rare herbs from Cascadia Prime. They must not be crushed before use, or all their
Did
potency
that
will be lost.
not save? Wait. The collectible didn't save. What happened?
Yeah, I'm not sure why Dogen trusts a delivery this kind to a simple runner girl like her, but I'll never question him openly about it.
Why are you talking to me about it?
Thank you very much. Anyway, a special dinner will be a blast, as always.
What?
Those poor
It's
souls have
the
no
cubes.
idea what they'll be feeding them. The herbs are strong enough to cause an instant addiction. They'll be in his pocket forever. I guess we're adding another couple of family members to Dogen's ever-growing list of helpful friends.
Well, since we're gonna time out anyway, we might as well, like, look around, I guess. See if there's anything else we can collect. I could cross here. Hehehe.
Damn it, Dogen needed those herbs for a very special dish. He won't be happy about this.
What a cook. I don't know. I just collect chips because it apparently helps people hack shit. It's a collectible in the game. It's not, I don't know.
Another food stuff delivery for Dogen. Rare herbs from Cascadia Prime.
I don't
They
think this
must
game
not
has
be
the
crushed
most thought
before
into
use.
it. This is like right before. This was like made like just as EA was going to complete garbage.
Yeah, I'm not sure why Dogen trusts a delivery this kind to a simple runner girl like her, but I'll never question him openly about it. I prefer to keep my fingers. Thank you very much. Anyway, a special dinner will be a blast, as always. Those poor souls have no idea what they'll be feeding them. The herbs are strong enough to cause an instant addiction. They'll be in his pocket forever. I guess we're adding another couple of family members to Dogen's ever-growing list of helpful friends.
So I'm delivering drugs. That's fun. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, oh, baby.
Thank you. He was planning some special dinner and had these sent for all the way from Cascadia Prime. And of course he refuses to deal through normal channels. Anyway, I'm sure someone will get a good meal now.
Why is Dogen a cook? Why is this lore? Oh, that's important. That box is floating. Yep, that box is floating. Oh. I didn't know I had that effect on you, Cheese. Damn, sorry. Oh, is that what it? Oh, I'm gonna sneeze, I swear to God. I think that's all the missions for the day, though. I guess we'll go get the waypoint and then we'll call her quits. What? Why? Why? Why is that there? Oh god, that fucking... Wait, did the box say... Wait, was the box metal? Meta box. The conglomerate cares about you. Go get your H2O, my dude. It's important. How many times have I passed by this and not fucking noticed that? Didn't even hear it. Oh shit, how do I get out? Oh. What's up here? 6. 6 what? Oh! Oh yeah, I made this mistake before. Why I just did it again. Why am I this stupid? That's a thing I can get. Heh. I'm fine. But thank you for asking. I'm not fine. I would die a lot if this was my job. Which just means I would die. Now that I'm thinking about it. I wouldn't die a lot, you only die once. As far as I know. No, it's not. Can't I go down the stairs faster? going back, and then we'll call it quits. And now we're gonna call her quits for the day.
So what did you do when you were locked up?
Talking to me. Dope. It's not supposed to make any fucking sense. Oh. Alright, we're calling her quits here. Alright, let's go raid somebody. The fuck are those? Oh yeah, it's a donation. Thank you again for the donation, cheese. Who we raiding? Who we raiding? Who we raiding? Bro team's funny. Send you over to bro team. Bro team's a funny guy. I like bro team. Although there's only one of us. Yeah, there's only one viewer though, it's just you. No, this is like my in-between screen. This is where we are when nothing else is going on. But I suppose we should be on this screen. Ooh, Mill. Okay. I changed my layout. Alright. Well, bye. Have a good night, everyone. Hope you enjoyed your time.